Hi, my name is Aspen Valley and I am an EFT Emotional Freedom Techniques trainer and have been using EFT for over a decade. I'm certified as a trainer through EFT MRA, and I'm going to show you today on how to use the EFT tapping points and where exactly they are on the body. So this is the side of the hand point. This is the wrist point, and you can use either hand. This is the wrist point. This is the thumb point. So if you're imagining this, if you're holding out a cup, a lot of people don't use the hand points, but they're incredibly important because they take up a large portion of the brain. And so it's just the cuticle right along the fingernail bed, just lightly tapping the pointer finger, the middle finger, the ring finger, and pinky, and then back to the side of the hand. And you can also do this with one hand as another way to remember. So you can actually hit all of the points just with one hand. And then the top of the head, right in the middle of the head, the eyebrow point, kind of like right where the eyebrow starts, side of the eye, right along the temple, and you can actually reach with 3 fingers and go back into the hairline and hit all of those points right there. Under the eye, there's a little divot along the bone, and it's right there. You want to be super gentle. 2 fingers usually works the best. 2 fingers on the top of the lip, under the lip or the chin, right in that crease, on the chest underneath the collarbone, and then under the armpit. Make sure you can see, and you can use either one. And then there's the liver point right here. I'll stand up a little bit, and then there's also another point down here along the thigh, right at arm's length. So you can do this all throughout the day. If you're driving, if you're stressed and you're under pressure in a work meeting, under the desk, even with your partner, you can gently watch a movie. If you're watching a stressful event taking place, you can tap around your fingers. You can tap while watching a show. You can be cuddling with your baby and just gently giving them a little massage throughout these points. And you can even massage yourself, especially at nighttime. It's really great just to do a little massage, not necessarily tapping, but being able to just like slowly bring in some energy and attention into those points of our body, which is gonna activate our parasympathetic nervous system, allow us to rest and digest, and really calms down our mind and gets us more into our body, allowing us to feel safe, reminding us that we are safe, no one's chasing us, we are in our home, on our couch, there's no immediate threat, feeling the nervous system relax. And you can typically tell that you found the point because it actually feels a little bit more tender than most of the other areas of the body. So especially like here in the collarbone, you'll know that you found it because it's a little bit more sore or tender to touch. Same with the liver point. It actually feels good to massage, but this is more of the extended version. So that is it. Have fun tapping and use it in any creative way. Get super creative, think outside the box, and just start playing around and practicing and seeing what works for you.